causes worry. This man lost his health through constant worry. Lack of sleep causes carelessness. Every day, innocent citizens are maimed and killed by car drivers who doze at the wheel. Lack of sleep causes loss of alertness. This man just wasn't on the job. Therefore, it's all important that when we sleep soundly and are not disturbed by foolish pests like the door slammer. He's also the window slammer. And he's not the only sleep disturber. There's the radio fiend, who thinks the whole world must enjoy the programs he likes. Aided and abetted by the roistering revelers across the street. But our sleep disturbers are outside as well as inside. The car rever. And the horn blower.
Will you shut that blasted valve?
The man without a care in the world. Until the next morning.
Nice, Patty. Nice, people. Over the
But our sleep disturbers are not all human. Animals, if not looked after by their human masters, will also become sleep disturbers. Cats. Dogs. And even the old rooster. Animal or human, they are all sleep disturbers, creators of unnecessary noise, and so indirectly they are home breakers, job wreckers, disease carriers, and even killers. So don't be a sleep disturber, because what you do today, others may do to you tomorrow, with equally disastrous results.
The Department of Health is deeply concerned at the ever-increasing death rate from heart disease. The fast tempo of our daily life causes wear and tear to our nervous systems, which can only be repaired by regular nightly sleep. Avoid unnecessary noise at night, and so become good citizens and real neighbors.